In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use while loop in Bash. So, the syntax of while loop declaration is while, third bracket, do, and ending block is defined by done. So, the first example is to iterate the loop for fixed number of times. It is a simple use of while loop. So, first of all, I will create the script. Here a initialize to 1 and the loop will iterate for 5 times and LE indicates that less than equal to 5 and in each time it will print the value, in each iteration it will print the value of $n and here the value of n is incremented by using double bracket. So I will run the script from the terminal bash while 1.bash. Here you can see the outputs of 5 lines. And the next example is to using while loop with break statement. Break statement mainly used to terminate any loop without completing the all iteration. For a special case, you can use the break statement. First of all, I will save the file while 2.bash. Here n is initialized to 1 and loop will be iterate for 10 times less than equal to 10 and when the value of n equal to 6 then it will terminate from the loop by using break statement and for other values 1 to 5 the value of $n will be printed and after each iteration the value of n will be incremented by 1 by using double bracket. So now I will run the script while 2. Here you can see the position 1 to 5 are printed and when the value of n is equal to 6 then the loop is terminated. And the example 3 using while loop with continuous statement. Continuous statement works opposite to break statement. If you see the example, then the function of continuous statement will be clear. Here the value of n is set to 0 and the while loop will iterate for 5 times. So when the value of $n is less than equal to 5, then it will terminate. And after inserting the loop, the value of n is incremented by 1 and if the value is 3 then it will continue. That means for the first iteration the value of n will be 1 so this condition will not true and it will print the value of $n. For the second iteration it is 2 and this is also false and it print the value of $n. And when the value of $n equal to 3 then continue. Continue means it will omit this step and from here it will again go for the next iteration. So for in a special condition if you want to continue the loop by omitting some step then you can use continue statement. So save the file while 3.bash. Now if I run the script while 3 then you can see 1 2 4 5 6 so for the value of 3 the step is omitted for the continue statement. The example 4 creating infinite loop. This is a common use of in a loop. You can define infinite for loop or while loop. This example shows the use of declaring infinite while loop. Here you can see the value of n is set to 1 while and there is no condition. This type of loops indicate that it is an infinite loop. So how to terminate from this loop? It will terminate based on any condition. First of all, it will print the current value of $n, and if the value of n is 3, then it will print good. If the value is 5, then it will print bad, and if the value is 7, then it will print ugly, and if the value reaches to 10, then it will terminate from the loop. And in each iteration, the value of n is incremented here. So the loop will iterate for 10 times, and when the value is to 10, then it will terminate. Now you can see the 1, 2, 3 is printed, and when the value is 3, it is printed good, and 4 is printed when the value is 5, then it printed bad, and when the value is 7, it printed ugly, and for other step it is just print the current value, and when the value of n reaches to 10, then terminate from the loop. And this was the last example of this tutorial. Hope this tutorial will help to understand the use of while loop in Bash script. Thank you.